welcome to Math 25. I'm Elizabeth Canis, your instructor for this class for summer. We get to spend the next 8 weeks learning all about college algebra, and I am here to help you succeed and get through it. So the way that we're going to work through our class is by watching some videos, taking notes, doing other activities, things called Desmos activities. You're going to work through some of the videos by doing something called a play pause it, which gives you little quiz questions throughout the video to help keep you on track. We'll end every week with a little assessment just to see how the week went. We'll have exams every 2 weeks just to make sure, again, you're staying on track and that we finish up strong. These 8 weeks are going to fly by, but I'm really excited to be here for you and teach you about college algebra. Just a couple quick facts about myself. This is my 7th year here at Chaffey College. Normally I'm teaching in person at the Chino campus, but I love teaching, and I love teaching whether online or in person. And I also, let's see, a little bit more background info. I have taught at Pasadena City College and also Cal Baptist, so like over 15 years of teaching. Taught at UC Riverside, which is also where I got my education. I earned a master's degree in math there, as well as a bachelor's degree in math. I also hold a master's in education with a teaching credential. I used to teach high school for a few years in Riverside. So a lot of math and education background behind me. All of it, which I think will help you to be more successful in this class. So I wanted to orientate you a little bit to get started. So if you go onto our dashboard for the college, you can see right here now, this is my main dashboard. I'm going to go into our class. So I haven't yet published it. It will be published when you're looking at this, but if you click on our class, Math 25, it'll look a bit like this. Let me go into my student view. And so the way that our course is kind of designed here is with a bunch of modules. So this week you actually have a couple of modules to look at. The welcome module, I'm going to scroll down. The resource module, again, this is here all the time for you with different resources for our class. And then what's going to be most important is every single week there will be a module to work through, and that's all the content for the class. Every week we'll start with lessons. And also a discussion board. You don't see a discussion board right here because I actually put that in our welcome module. Let's scroll up here. So our week 1 discussion is actually up here in the welcome module, and it's about introduction. So the reason why I have these class discussions built in is because they provide you a space to interact with other students. I'll read through them and I'll comment and give you guys some feedback, but normally I'm not really in that discussion. It's just a space for you guys to interact and engage with each other. And so that's, again, normally how we will start the week. I'm going to scroll back down so you can see within week 1, you're also going to have these lesson pages. So a lesson page will have the videos that you need to watch, the activities that you need to do, and things like that. And then there will be a page that says, like, go to Alex. Alex is our online homework system that we are going to be using for this class. And you'll become more familiar with that as you work through the welcome module. But you can see that within the module, it's directing you to, okay, do this lesson page, then go to Alex. Do this lesson page, then go to Alex. And by the end of the week, there will be a little assessment. Weeks 2, 4, 6, and 8, so every other week, you'll have a little weekly assessment. It's just a short Canvas quiz, about 20 minutes. But then you have an additional exam, and that will be done within that Alex program I was mentioning, which you'll get more familiar with as we go. So this was just a quick video to introduce myself, say hi, and tell you the very first thing that you want to do when you come into our class is get started in this welcome module. And there will be a welcome video play pause it that you'll need to do. And the way that those work, if you click in on it, so I'm going to click in on that, it tells you that it's worth 14 points, and you push play like you're ready to watch a video. So you push play, and as you go through it, you are going to be asked a couple of questions. Now, you have unlimited chances at getting like 100% on this. So if you complete it and you only have like 10 of those 14 points, you can go back and you can redo it. While you're watching it, you can watch it at double speed, so if it feels a little slow for you. Now, I am excited about teaching math, so often I do talk fast, even when I'm working on creating these content videos. So at least with videos, you can change the speeds however you need to, whether that's slowing it down or speeding it up. but you do have to answer those questions, and it will not allow you to fast forward. And this play pause it format is going to be how we'll be working through a lot of our course content videos. Okay, so you're going to have to get used to this play pause it kind of quiz that you take within the video. But again, you have unlimited attempts at doing it, so you can get 100% after you watch each of those videos. So that's where you're headed next. So I will see you there in a little bit. So make sure that you go into Canvas today or the first day of class, and you are going to watch this welcome video, play pause it, and complete our first day activity. And that first day activity, if I go back to modules, you can see this day 1 assignment. That's what you're going to actually be working on and submit by the end of the day. All right, welcome to Math 25.